Okay, sir.
Yes.
I've heard about this protest, and people are saying they didn't see alert, they are not moving an inch.
Yes.
Sir, what is your take, sir?
Well, thank you very much. First and foremost, my name is Deputy Veteran Commander Awal Abdullahi Aliyu. I'm the spokesperson, Minister of Defense Standing Committee on Military Veterans Welfare, the Secretary General of Veterans Federation of Nigeria, as well as the Deputy National Coordinator, retired members of Nigerian Forces. We are here today at the Ministry of Finance to protest the outstanding balance of 50% payment, which was earlier not paid. We were earlier paid 50% in December 5th, and then we were promised complete payment by the end of December 2024. That was not done. So right now, with the Chairman of Military Pension Board, as you can see, just left here, he has confirmed receipt of payment of the outstanding 50% balance, which is about 23 billion plus. He has further reaffirmed it. Now that has been done, and he has promised that alert will start dropping today into various veterans account banks. So we are satisfied with what he said. We are appreciative, first and foremost, to the President and Commander-in-Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as well as the Minister of Defense, Badr Abubakar, the Minister of State, Dr. Bello Matowalle, the Permanent Secretary, Dr. Aduda, and then, of course, the Chairman of Military Pension Board, who has just left here. We are also extending our appreciation to the Minister of Finance, who made the fund available for us. Apart from that, I think any other veteran is happy today. We are leaving this place right now, right this very moment. Our intention, as you can see, we have our mat, was to stay here for the next 14 days if we are not paid. But since the money has entered Military Pension Board account, and the chairman has assured us, and we trust him, we don't have any issue again. We are dispersing, we are good to go. And like I said, we are appreciative of all that's contributed towards the success of this payment today. We want to sincerely thank also the veterans who are here, who are tirelessly willing to be part of this struggle until date, even though for the benefit of all of us. So we thank them very much, and we pray that this will not happen again. It was not our intention to embarrass the government. It is not our intention to do anything that will be inimical to the president in particular. But because we have no option, that is why it has to take us to this level of doing what we did. But it was never deliberate. But now that it has been done, we are happy. We thank God. We thank the authorities, and we pray that in future we will not be allowed to come out again in the name of trying to get our benefit. We hope the government will be proactive and pay us out when due.